Hey guys, we're here today at Gorilla Trailer. My name is Justin. Gorilla Trailer is located in Smithville, Tennessee. Today we're bringing you a 5x10 single axle utility trailer. All of our trailers are going to come standard with Dexter axles. This model will have a 3,500 pound axle. Our axles do carry a 5-year warranty. The design for the trailer is going to be 3x2 angle iron, 3/16 thick. This trailer will be sitting on 24-inch centers. All of our utilities will come powder coated. They will also come with A-grade 2x8 pressure treated wood for the floor. All of the lighting that you will be seeing is going to be Optronics lighting. Optronics does warranty their lighting for lifetime. Starting up here in the front, you're going to have a 3-inch C-channel wrapped around tongue. It's going to go all the way back to the axle. You're also going to have a 5,000 pound 2-inch ball A-frame coupler. All of our jacks do come standard recessed. The jack on this is going to be a 3,000 pound ram jack. Starting up here on the driver's side corner, you will see our first piece of lighting. That is a yellow marker light. It's going to be the same on the driver's side. The driver, passenger, and the rear will have DOT tape. All of our trailers will come standard with heavy-duty diamond plate fenders. All of our trailers will come standard with radial tires. This model will have a 15-inch wheel and a black painted rim. Back behind the fender, you will see the license plate holder. You'll also have a red marker light. It's also going to be the same on the passenger side. Back here on the rear, you will have a reinforced gate plus a dovetail. Dovetails are good for motorcycles and lawnmowers, lower clearance items. The tail lights are going to be real nice, long LED. You're also going to have these easy pull latches. This will come standard on all of our trailers. Super simple design, super easy to use, and super durable. This trailer will have D-rings placed in each corner, making a total of 4. Now we're going to take you around here and show you the spare tire mount. Right here is the spare tire mount. This does come standard on all of our trailers. That's going to wrap up the video today. Please check our website at www.gorillatrailer.com or give us a call at 615-318-0743 for any more information on this trailer or any of our others. Thanks.